खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद पूछे बंदे से कि बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Setting off with the name of Mighty Allah, who the most glacier and whose bounties unless. Respectable community leader, beloved director Sayyid Habib Shah, charming Habibians, I want to greet you with these words. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
As today we are gathered here to talk about today's topics which has been picked by the management of Habib's English Academy, namely how to be away from bad things. My dear, before I'm moving further, the quotation of Helen Colonel I would like to say, she said, keep your face to the shine. Keep your face to the shine and you cannot see the shadow. Let me move further. Dear audience, what is the meaning of this thing? What is our habit? We used to always think the negative instead of thinking positive. And because of that, we are always being failed. Now you can see that many people, they become misguided. They left their education, they become drug-addicted. Because of what? Because of bad company. Why not you are past MA? Why not you become graduated and you are puffer today? But if you don't know about the manner, if you don't know about the company, it means that you are nothing. My dear, now you can see that there is choose the high road. High road means it's a phrase, it means that to keep a good manner in yourself. If today you know such much a great manner, tomorrow no one can stop you to reach on your destiny where you want to reach. Here, Shah Latif said, a foolish person has no path. A foolish person have no path, nor there any path with him. Look at your destination. Look at your destination. You are true, God is no path. Now you can see that how we can save ourselves from the bad people. The bad people like the bacteria virus, which can cover you by the four sides, and you will be under of them. They will be your guard, and they will not let you to go in the good things. So before I think that, if today you are alone, it's better to bad company. If you are in the bad company, it means that you become like them. Now, remember this thing that you are a star. What? You are a star. Star is always alone. Sun have no any partner. Sun have no any kind of supporter. Sun has no person who can shine, who can give the light to sun. Sun is always alone. You are a star. Star means sun. You should be always alone. If there is no good person for you, if there is no good person for you, you should be good person so people can use you. Remember this thing. Always we are seeking, always we are searching, always we are finding the good person. But there is lack of good person. You should be good person so people can use you. And people should not say that there is no good person. We are using fashion. Everything we are doing. Now think that. Here is also Allama Iqbal said, leave the bad. What? Leave the bad, behold the good. Know the good and see the bad. My dear audience, let me move. My second point is that if today we are being bad, what would be our future? We are students, it means that we are pillar of Pakistan. If today we are in the bad company, if today we are with those who are drug addicts, it means that first and foremost we will be nothing in our life. Because we are everything. If you will once time you will know you are cherished, you will be great. Here Allama Iqbal said, अपने किरदार पे डाल के पर्दा एक बाल, अपने किरदार पे डाल के पर्दा एक बाल, हर शख्स यहाँ कह रहा है कि ज़माना खराब है. Whomsoever you will ask, they will say you the environment is bad, but no one will say that I am the bad. Everybody will blame on the environment. The environment is bad. If you are good, environment can be good. If you are bad, it means that there's no blame, there's no need to blame on the environment. Now someone's written a great quotation. He said that if wherever you are going, if there's bad company, if you cannot make them good, then be away from them. Perhaps and might be you will be like them, it's not better. Because many people, they are back of them that I will make him good. Instead of making him good, he's also being bad. It's not fine. Remember, my dear, always this, wherever, now you can see that even some people that don't know about this thing, that what is the bad company. Bad company is that who are drug addicts, who are smoking, who are asexual, who are not getting education. It means they are bad company. But we don't know. Our friendship with those who are really bad. And at last but not least, I must sum up my speech to dedicate this line, this topic. My dear, always remember this thing, that you are just a star, a sun. If there's time to be alone, to keep your time, you should be alone, because sometimes there is better to be alone from the bad company. So I would like to say thank you.